Welcome back, everyone. Do you have any fresh eggs at home? Stop eating those boring fried eggs. Let me share a super simple egg cooking tip with you. One that's so easy, even a beginner in the kitchen can make it at home to help you create an egg dish as beautiful as one you'd find at a five-star restaurant. First, I prepare 4 fresh eggs. Carefully crack each egg into a bowl and use a spoon to separate the yolks into small bowls, being careful not to break them. Now, let's continue with the remaining eggs and take our time with each one. By the way, do you enjoy cracking eggs and preparing ingredients like this? There's something really simple and relaxing about it. The gentle sound of cracking each egg and the slow, steady rhythm of preparing everything can make cooking feel like a little moment of relaxation. So, sit back, enjoy the process, and let's take a few peaceful moments together as we finish preparing the rest of the eggs. Use a whisk to gently beat the egg whites until frothy. Setting them aside for now, I prepare 2 onions that have been peeled and washed. I cut the onions in half and slice them into thin pieces. After slicing, the onion pieces are still quite firm, so I place all the onions in a large bowl. Add about 30 milliliters of lemon juice and mix well. The lemon juice helps mellow the onions' pungent smell, soften them slightly, and bring out their natural sweetness after cooking. Let the onions soak for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I remove the onions and squeeze out as much liquid as possible with my hands. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Add the egg whites to the bowl of onions. Add half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and mix well so that each onion slice is evenly coated with egg white. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. I mix everything together thoroughly. Now place a skillet on the stove and add just enough cooking oil. While waiting for the oil to heat up, I divide the onion mixture into equal portions, scoop each portion onto a cutting board one by one, and use a spoon to gently spread them into small circles. Don't forget to press down in the center of each pancake to create a small indentation. Once the shaping process is complete and the oil has reached the right temperature, I carefully place each onion pancake into the pan and fry each side over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Flipping them a few times to ensure even cooking. I carefully pour an egg yolk into the indentation of each pancake. Cover the pan and cook over low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, I lift the lid to reveal the results. The onions have turned a light golden color, are fragrant and sweet, and have bonded together to form a beautiful pancake. In the center lies a glossy, rich egg yolk. This dish is best enjoyed hot and pairs wonderfully with a slice of toasted bread or a dollop of chili sauce. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now let's move on to our next dish. First, crack 3 fresh eggs into a large bowl. Add 20 milliliters of lemon juice and 50 grams of sugar. Then whisk everything together until well combined. Next, place a sieve over the bowl. Add about 200 grams of flour and gently tap the sieve to sift the flour into the egg mixture. Continue mixing until the batter becomes smooth and lump-free. Then, add a little cooking oil and give the batter one final mix. Now, prepare 2 glass bowls and lightly coat the inside with cooking oil. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 bowls. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then place them in a steamer tray. Next, fill a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, carefully place the steamer tray over the pot. The steam will help the dish cook evenly. Cover with a lid and steam for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the cakes are fully cooked and beautifully fluffy. When the time is up, open the lid and carefully transfer the steamed cakes onto a plate. And there we have it, 2 beautifully steamed cakes, puffed up perfectly with a soft texture and an irresistible aroma. They look absolutely delicious and are ready to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.